took my heart. Be careful now. Take precaution. Be very gentle. Just know my love run deep, so I'm gonna love you like I'm supposed to.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, girl, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. In today's video, y'all, I be doing my everyday makeup look, period. So as you can see right now, I'm just wiping my face with a Neutrogena wipe, and then I'm gonna do my brows first. So for my brows, y'all, I use my Earthspun powder in the color naturally neutral, and I'm just gonna set my brows. This just prevents oiliness, so my eyebrows won't be oily. So y'all, getting straight into these brows. As you can see, I'm outlining my eyebrow. You can use dip brow, you can use a pencil, you can use whatever, but don't use black. That's all I'm gonna say. But I use the pencil. I had sharpened the pencil, and then I get a angle brush and I put the product on the brush, and I'm just basically outlining. I'm basically tracing my eyebrows. For the top of my brows, y'all, I'm basically gonna do the same thing, trace it. But when I do the top of my eyebrows, y'all, I do not start in the front. I want to give it that natural look. I do not want no harsh brow. So basically, I'm just showing y'all what I'm, saying. Y'all see that I didn't start all the way in the front when I started at the top. And then I'm gonna finish tracing it, tracing it, outline, whatever. And I'm gonna curve it on the end and make sure it meets the bottom of the brow. Then I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. Moving on, y'all. So I'm gonna use, right now I'm just using the concealer to, you basically gonna do the same thing. So you gonna outline, trace. It's basically kind of the same thing, but make sure you going like as neat as possible. Like y'all see how I'm just tracing. It's kind of hard for me to explain, but the color I'm using is medium beige, and I put this on the brow bone. I put this concealer on the brow bone of my eyebrow. Then I'm gonna take my little brush, and then I'm just gonna blend the concealer out. And notice, y'all, I'm gonna blend the concealer down also to my eyelid, so it can give that blended look. I want everything to be blended together. You want everything to be blended together, period. So now I'm gonna go in with my foundation, And I'm gonna use my foundation to conceal the front of my eyebrows. To blend my brows, I'm going back in with my angle brush. Y'all notice how I'm blending it in, but I'm blending it in real light. I'm not too heavy with it because I don't want my eyebrows to be real dark in the front. I like that ombre look. So when you start, like when you do it, when you blend it in the front, don't be too heavy on it. Be like real light.
Yo, hear me out. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Those are me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching-ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl one with his.
Y'all see the brows after I blended everything together. Period. So using my foundation again, I'm basically putting my foundation on my eyelids, and then after I do that, I'm gonna blend it out and then I'm gonna set it.
Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us.
Let's get into this face beat, y'all. I'm using my Power Grip Primer from e.l.f. and I'm gonna apply the primer onto my face, and then we're gonna do the foundation. Y'all gonna see the beat. Y'all gonna see the beat. Y'all gonna see the beat, period.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else to love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on.
After applying foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Real Technique brush and blend it all together. And the way that I'm doing my foundation, y'all, I'm just patting it in and pressing it to the skin. This is so important. This gives you a full coverage look. Do not swipe, y'all. Do not swipe your foundation with the brush, y'all. Make sure you tapping it in. It just gives that full coverage, you know. To highlight, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm using the same concealer I highlighted with my brows. Well, with my brow bone. And I'm just gonna apply the concealer onto like the important parts. Under the eyes, on the chin, and on the nose. And also on the forehead and around the brows.
Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is more than a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Then dip me underway. Fill my flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
So as I'm blending, I'm starting on the outer parts first. And I'm doing it the same way, tapping it in. The same way I do my foundation. Now I'm using the same powder and I'm just gonna set it. Now I'm just going back in with my foundation brush and I'm just blending everything all together. So to contour a little bit, I'm going in with my Juvia's bronze palette and I'm gonna contour like my jaws. Y'all already see, y'all see it, but like the jaw, the end of my jaws and my forehead and around my chin a little bit. This give a bronze look, like a contour look. And I'm using a dark shade, the darker shade. This is one of my favorite things to do. I'm just using mascara and applying it under my bottom eyelashes. Yeah, I barely got bottom eyelashes, but it be looking cute. It make your eyes pop with the lashes, with the bottom. Like, it's so cute. Y'all see, it is so cute. Like, and now I'm just contouring blending my nose out. Y'all see the beat? Like, come on, I ain't even fully done. Period. It's beat. So I do this to my lips every time I do my makeup, y'all. But I'm using my dark brown pencil. It can be any kind of dark brown pencil, but this is the dark brown pencil in the color tone. And then I'm gonna go in with my fortune cookie and put it on my lips, y'all. This is my favorite lip combo. So this sums up the end of this video. Y'all see the beat, period. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in my next one.
Away from you, making sure that I'm moving my part. Boy, is there something